कांय दीस फाटीं कुट्टाळेची आमदार एलिना साल्दना कडेन रेल्वे अधिकाऱ्यान अपमान करपी उतरांनी भाश्य केल्लें. ब्रेस्तारा ह्या कृत्या खातीर रेल्वे अधिकाऱ्यान प्रसार माध्यमां सामकार आमदार एलिनाची माफी मागून आपली चूक मान्य केली. RDX खातीर आल्तीनच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार आनी संजय मुनोली.
And the reason why we have all gathered here is because the general manager of the South Western Railway had been very abusive in his language when he used the term "you Portuguese," referring to the people of Goa. We, the people of Goa, have taken strong objection to this statement, and when our Honourable Chief Minister got to know this, he was also very upset about it, because I think we need to respect each other.
And general manager had mentioned that it was totally inadvertent. कोई इनका ऐसा इंटेंशन नहीं था. वो कभी-कभी हो जाता है, बात करते समय गलती से वो उन्होंने कुछ कह दिया था, और इसके लिए ऑनरेबल MLA मैडम, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर मैडम से आज बात हुई है, और जो भी एक गलती से कोई चीज उन्होंने कह दिया था उसके लिए उन्होंने अपना खेद व्यक्त किया. He has expressed regret, he has apologized, and we have respect for everyone. And basically today we also had an opportunity to discuss about the progress of doubling work, and we have also agreed that we will see that how the alignment of doubling project is realigned in such a way that there is no problem to the any person who is residing nearby the railway track. So we are committed, railway is committed to provide the best infrastructure for Goa, and just to see that how we can provide more facilities to the citizens of Goa. So railway will be doing all the things so that we will provide more and more infrastructure for the benefit of the people of Goa.
I have already apologized to you on the day itself. हमारी भाषा मातृभाषा हिंदी है, और you the Portuguese के जगह you Portuguese हो गया most probably, and I am sorry for that. I was just talking about the people 500 years or earlier, and so if she feels I was referring to her, I regret that, and I have already withdrawn it on that day itself, and now I withdraw it again.
One second, I think we will not prolong it too far. I think it has already been stated that Mr. Ajay Kumar Singh will be transferred. Okay? And so we will not have to deal with him, and everything will go peacefully. The chairperson of the railway board, Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav, has also said that he will inspect the railway route. Okay, he will see for himself, or maybe his representatives, what are the problems, why the people of the state object to doubling of the tracks, and everything will happen, and there is nothing to be upset about, because I have full faith in Mr. Vinod Kumar that he will do the needful.